What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Base Smurf from the Wolf Style, back with another video, guys. Today, as y'all already know, I'm gonna be installing these here LED mirror covers. My boy Alex Santiago, man, I hope you appreciate those mirror colors. But today, guys, I'm gonna actually be installing my set. I did go with the same color, but the inside. The last set was like an amber color, but these here, I decided that I'm gonna go with the white color for me, guys. So give me a second. I'm gonna get this mirror cover off, and we gonna go from there, guys. All right, guys. So first, man, I'm gonna start off by taking this here. All right, guys. Now that I took my little back plate off, it's gonna be 3 10mm screws. I done took these off as well. But first off, before you do that, man, you wanna remove this little plate, and it's a 10mm bolt right there. And remove that plate, and there's 2 10mm bolts right there as well. And after you do that, you're gonna come over here and you're just gonna pull this out, guys, and then just pull this up. And after you do that, you just wanna pull your door pounder back. Actually, my door pounder is off right now, but I'm just keeping it on my door because I don't feel like taking all my locks and stuff off. So give me a second, guys. We're gonna show you the next step. All right, guys. I done ran my wires from here to behind my door to right here. Underneath there. All the way to here, guys. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start unloosening my headlight so I can get everything fastened. All right, guys, I finished this side. I just got the passenger side to do. As y'all can see, I done put them on there. I'll probably spray them one of these days this week to color match the truck for right now. It's just a process it was a process to get them on, but they're on. So I'm over here on the other side. And right now what I'm about to do is I'll take this mirror off, guys. So this here, you just want to pull it off. And same thing from the other side, guys. It's 1 10mm bolt. You're gonna remove this, it's 2 10mm. And then you just pry your door off from the side. So give me a second. Oh. And it's 3 10mm up in here as well. But you get to this when you pull off the rest of the dope. So give me a second, guys. Let me snatch this door off, and I'll turn y'all back on. Oh, and one more other thing. This here part, you just pull that out, and then you're able to pull this off. So let me do that, and I'll cut y'all back on. Now, once you take everything off, you're gonna see that screw. You're gonna see these 2 screws down here as well. And don't forget right here, guys, you wanna pull this here back. And then just pull your lock up. And like I said, you wanna just pry the side of your door and take the panel off. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys, so give me a second. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, I done went ahead and took the lock out. Like I said, remove this screw and remove those 10mm as well. Now I'm left with just these 3. But I done ran the wires through here. And I'm gonna run it through here, guys. And I'm gonna get it back through here. And I'm gonna run it through my firewall. And I'll see y'all on the other side. Now I finally finished up the other side. But just got to tighten these 6 screws down. I'm gonna tighten that one down. I'm gonna put these 3 10mm back in there. And right there, I just gotta tighten these 2 down. I don't already tighten one down, so gotta tighten this one down. Guys, I mean, it was my first time doing something like this. It's a little process, man. So I want to say, if you're gonna do something like this, man, you want to probably start early in the morning before the sun come out. But I say the whole process should take at least a good 30 minutes. It'll be more quicker if y'all had the mirrors with the arrows on them, with the lights already on them. They'll just plug and play, guys. So keep that in mind. But if you don't, y'all gonna have to do like I did. And run them to your blinker lights. So I'm gonna get everything put back together. And I'm gonna show y'all how I look with the blinkers on. So my last piece is this piece. And excuse me, guys, it's hot, I'm sweating. You wanna put it in there just like that, guys. It's gonna clip up in there. So now I'm finished everything. I got everything right. Locks. Shit jumping. So I'm gonna shut these doors, button it up, and we gonna see how she look, y'all. So y'all keep in mind that it's still daylight right now. So y'all keep that in mind. Alarm done went off like 60 million times, guys. But man, we finished. I finally did it. I'm hot, my hands are dirty. All right, guys, now I'm finished. As you can see, I got my blinkers on. Well, actually, I got my my hazard lights on. And you can see, they blinking. Like I said, I went with the white for myself, but the ones that I gave away on the giveaway, there was this amber color. So I'm just waiting on Alex to send me a post. Y'all can see them, guys. That's the lights. I'll show y'all more of them at nighttime. But for right now, guys, it's finished. It looks complete. Might can't see too much during the day. But this the look, guys. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the truck up, man. I'm gonna go ahead, leave, go wash the truck up. Probably show y'all a video at night. But until then, man, y'all stay tuned. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Style, signing on, logging off. Everybody have a blessed weekend. Y'all remember positive lives, spread positive vibes. Until the next video, guys, we see y'all.